In this video, we'll walk through how to generate steps for open cases within the CSM configurable workspace using Now Assist. Once your suggested steps are configured, navigate to your workspaces and open the CSM/FSM configurable workspace. Use the list icon to view your cases. Open any case that is not in a closed or complete state. In the contextual side panel, select the Recommendations icon to open the Recommended Actions tab. If suggested steps are available, you'll see the Suggested Steps by Now Assist card at the top of the tab. Select Generate. Now Assist reviews similar past cases and produces a set of recommended next steps. The process typically takes under a minute. Keep in mind these results are drawn from a specific cluster the LMM is looking at within this instance, so suggestions may vary. Now you have a clear set of generated suggested steps you can follow to move the case toward resolution, helping agents resolve cases more efficiently.